I'm Nico from Great Cholopedia. This time I gonna unboxing the red and green with its number 162 with 3 characters, 2 trainer of Pokemon and 1 Pokemon. This is red, green. Now, this is what the of the action of this Android can do. Let's see. This is the base plates, so it can stand. Two usual base plates and one circle base plate that one of the Pokemon can do, using for flying Pokemon. This is the base plates that used by the trainer of red and green. This is this is the face of the green and this is the face of the red. This is some of the hand we can do. There's the 3 hands that can be used by red and the other Android too, because this can change the face of the other Android or the hair or the hand, everything we can change it. I just red. For example, we can change the hair like this. And the face too. Try to the red too. This time red gonna be like this with a new hairstyle. New hairstyle for the red and a new hairstyle for the green too. Hey, why are you stealing my hat? And why are you just stealing my hair? Just can we change it? And here the bags that can be used by red and the others, but it's not fit for the others. Can be only fit with the red. So this is from the instruction. Open the hat. Here. Put this too. Ta-da! Okay, I got a bag. This can be like this. This is gonna be changed by anything, because only this can be used by that. Here you go, a new style. The others. others. There's a Pokeball. And this hand. There's a hole. And there's a hand with a circle. Like that. Disassemble it. Yay! I got a Pokeball! And this guy have a cool one. Man, I like this one. Honestly. This one very good because he have something that very cool. Bring, 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 bring. Yeah, it's very cool. And also this one. This with his Pokeball. And the last, the mouth. You can do this. With his feet, little feet. Let's see the pose. Ow! It's them like mouth too, but only mouth. Go. And a green with his Pokeball, with his new hairstyle and also hats. And I almost forgot the necklace. He can use the necklace. This Nandroid is very cool because he can use a necklace, even a pistol like the first video I made. The Chris Redfield using his pistol or missile and knife. There you go. Thanks for watching. I'm from Racholopedia. I hope you guys very enjoy it. Please like, comment, and share, everyone. Thanks. Hey, why I don't? That's not funny, right?